These are going to be the 20 through 38 elevators at One Tampa City Center. Getting this one. Hello. What floor are you going to?
32, please. See if something else is going to work for you a little better.
Yeah.
And here we go. I'm an elevator fan. I do videos and pictures of elevators. It's a hobby of mine, and these are some of the fastest here in downtown.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do it for school or just for hobby?
Yeah, just a hobby, yeah.
Okay.
She is shopping and texting.
All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Otis. Whoa. That was a hard start. Wow, look at this little restaurant area up here. Once we're in the express zone, I'll get a cab view. Here's a view of this cab. Very nice cab. Yes, it was redone, and you can tell these are modernized. They used to be Otis Lexan, probably Elevonic 101 or 401, but still, these are really nice and fun, fast elevators. Otis. Good morning.
Good morning.
There's a TV screen there. Just listen to the wind whoosh as we go up. Want to see if I can switch elevators on 37. 37? Nah. Yeah, all the other floors are locked off. We'll just get off on 2. Just listen to that. These are incredible. I'm guessing the old indicator might have been there. I don't know. Whoa, we just stopped hard and my ear just popped. 2? And there it goes. That'll be it. Yeah, this one I think is the service car. Yeah, this one's got Lexan call stations, so these obviously used to be Lexan, but you can see those are EPCO call stations. Is it, should I go up? I don't know. Well, yeah, just like the other one. Oh well. Up to 38. this is a rocket. Again, 3,500 pound capacity. The controllers seem like they may be original, can't tell. Look at that. Love that button. We'll get off on 2, that's where I entered. Has that Elevonic hum from the generators. Again, really nice elevators. I don't know if that's a phone or not, but I mean, I doubt you'll need one. They're Otis. Best elevator company ever. All right, we're gonna get off on 2, and that's gonna be it. Otis, and there's your call station. Awesome. Anyways, that's it.